In this video we are going to discuss about the introduction about the PLSQL. So PLSQL, the procedural language extension for SQL, and Oracle proprietaries are 3GL capabilities, integration of SQL and portable within the Oracle database and callable from any client. So this can be elaborated as the section of blocks of code will be there. First one is a header section, declaration section, executable section and exception section. So in which the header, type and name of the block and declare variables, constraints and cursors, begin PLSQL and SQL statements, and exceptions, exception handlers and end of the program. So here the structure of the PLSQL: undeclare a number, text version 1 varchar 2 and text version 2 varchar 2. So begin, end. So the important data type in PLSQL includes a number, integer, char, varchar, date and etc. So date can be used for getting the date of a particular event or particular person's date of birth or date of joining, whatever may, depends on the problems what we are existing. So this PLSQL has a number of control structures which includes conditional controls, iterative or loop controls, exception or error controls, which allows the PLSQL developers to direct the flow of execution through the program. So the condition controls if, then and end if then else, end if then else if, then else if, and the PLSQL control structures while loop and while condition loops and for loops, etc. So the PLSQL is a completely portable high performance transaction processing, so which provides a built-in interpreted and OS independent programming environment. And PLSQL can also directly be called from the command line, so SQL plus interface. So the numeric data type and integrations descriptions are, so the numeric values on which the arithmetic operations are performed, and characters, alphanumeric value that represents a single characters, and boolean variable, the logical values are which logical operations are performed, and date and time similarly. Declare, begin if, then end if. So this is the conditions we can use here. So this is a simple program, PLSQL program, which can be used for finding the maximum value in the two numbers. And cursor, so the name, the declare, in the name we have declared the name as varchar, and cursor, C1 is a cursor operator, and where date is not full, it begin the open CN and use fetch C1 into the name and exit from the loop. So this is a PLSQL code for debugging, show error and database output.put.line we can use it. So how to execute this PLSQL program? By using the varchar issue, flag number and the print statement. How to execute a procedure in PLSQL? So execution procedure name with the statements. Thank you.